Come on, Stacy, get your hair right.
The dog's like staring at the dog.
No, it's not half bad.
Holley's like, all right, all right.
Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. This week our video is a day in the life of a shop dog. I stuck a GoPro on Holley's back and I wanted to share some of the things that Holley gets into. It's a mystery to me sometimes some of the things that she gets into. So this week our star is Holley. Here we go.
What does this mean, huh?
Holley loves coming to work. Every morning she waits impatiently for Jessie to be ready to go, and she expresses her excitement while he gets her harness on and she shoots out the door.
Ready? Let's go. Come on. Ready? Okay. I'll take her.
And this is Holley. Holley is an almost 2-year-old Belgian Malinois. Holley loves the water. Anytime we get the water hose out, she's right there ready to play. Holley is a very busy dog. Typically on average, she gets about 35,000 steps per day when she's at the shop, running around the shop, checking out the builds, saying hello to her friends. With the hot summer days here in Texas, we went ahead and got Holley a pool so that she can sit in the cool water, enjoy the shade, and still watch everybody work and be a part of things. Holley loves riding on the golf cart. Right now, her and Jessie are headed over to the motorcycle shop to check on some powder coating. Holley and I are following Jessie down to Kraken Motorsports so Jessie can align the GT86. Kraken also has a shop dog. Her name is Lexi. Holley and Lexi love to run around and play around in the shop. As you can see, Holley is a very busy dog. At the end of the day, she loves nothing more than laying in the nice cool office on the cool floor and the air conditioning. All right, y'all, that's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little documentary about a day in the life of Holley. She is a lot of fun to have at the shop, and she is just living her best life. Don't forget to watch our latest videos every Sunday at 8:30 on our YouTube and our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.